Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I just want to do a quick little video update today. I'm not going to go through a whole portfolio update. I'm going to do that Friday. I'll be doing a portfolio update every week on Friday. I might do more during the week, but Friday is the main portfolio update. So at the end of every market week, you can see where my portfolio is standing, whether it's lost or gained, what actions I've taken on it, that good stuff. Um, Another thing I've decided, if you have watched my previous video, and if you haven't, I'll put a link down in my description, is a very important video and a very important message to everyone that especially is young, but even if you're not young and you're older and you're just starting like myself, a very important video talking about what can be accomplished with dividend investing. Um, Anyway, yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description for that. If you haven't watched it, please do so. Also, be sure to subscribe. Uh, it's going to support me, and you'll get more valuable content from me. Over time, I am a totally new YouTuber. Um, I've had a YouTube account for years, but I've never been producing. I haven't been producing content. So help me out. Subscribe, like the videos, comment, tell me what you're thinking about my videos. How can I improve? What kind of topics you'd like to hear about? Um, any of that good stuff, or just put "you suck" in there. It's all good. Um, anyway, today I just wanted to mention the stock market crashed. Well, it didn't really crash, but it dropped a ton. If we look at our market summary, I mean, the Dow Jones down 831 points, 3.15%, S&P 500 down 3.29%, Nasdaq 408. I mean, it corrected really well. If you look at my portfolio just quickly, I'm not logging into my account or anything today, but I mean, as you can see, I am all red. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks out of 100 in the green today. So all those others, 95 stocks, have lost money today. But you know what? I'm not worried. I think it's a good thing. As a matter of fact, I'm hoping I lost more. I'm very excited that the market has dropped today, and I'm actually hoping it continues to drop. And the reason for that is I know I have good, solid companies in my portfolio. They're not going bankrupt, guys. They're not going anywhere. They'll probably continue paying the dividends because they have in the past. So I don't see dividend cuts coming, even if this is a long-term downtrend, which it probably isn't. It's probably going to recover before the end of the week. But anyway, the reason I'm excited is I'm hoping it continues to drop and I can put more money into the market at a cheaper price. My stocks that I want to own, I've already decided I want to own because I've already researched them, already decided they're good companies, already decided this is going to be in my portfolio. The stocks I want to own are going on sell. When this happens, it's a sell, baby. This is the time to buy when shit drops. So I'm hoping it continues to drop. I'm dollar cost averaging in. You know, in my M1 finance account, I'm depositing $60 a day right now. So I'll get that lower cost, and it'll drop my average price down that I'm paying for those. And in the long run, that'll increase my yield on cost. If you don't know what yield on cost is, I'll do a whole video on it shortly. But yield on cost is basically comparing your cost that you pay for the stock to the current dividend. So, like if a stock has a dividend of 6% today, but if you purchased it at a cheaper price previously, then your yield on cost is actually higher than 6%. It could be 10%, 50%, whatever. And so, since I'm not just making one big purchase on them, then I'm going with the average price that I buy stocks at. So the lower it drops, the more stocks I buy, the lower my average price per share. And then I'm going to figure my yield on cost on that. Anyway, long story short, I'm excited. I'm losing money. Yoo! Anyways, that's the thing. If you guys have solid stocks in your dividend portfolio, this is absolutely nothing to worry about. As a matter of fact, it's something to celebrate. because you can buy them cheaper. They are on sale. It's just like a big sale at a department store. Everybody rushes in, or so when there's a black what's it called, big sales, Black Friday, Black Monday. I don't know what they're called nowadays. I don't participate in them. But anyways, you get the point. Stocks are going on sale. Buy more. It's that simple. Don't be scared. Don't freak out that you're losing money and sell. Don't do it. Instead, think of it the other way. They're going on sale. It's time to buy, guys. So let them drop more. That's why I say. All right, guys. That's all I wanted to say today. I wanted to give you. I just wanted to let you know I'm planning on doing videos at least once a week, every Friday. Give you a portfolio update, no matter what. And when I do that, I'm also going to try to add a little something extra to give more value to you guys. Just stuff like tips and maybe some reviews or how-tos or something like that. I'm gonna continue to try to add value to this channel for you. And please support me, and I will support you as much as I possibly can and give you as much value as I can in the future. I know I suck at YouTube right now. These videos are kind of lame. And I'm not the best YouTuber out there. I will improve. I'm learning. I'm studying. I will eventually get to where I'm editing my videos and making them much prettier or much easier to follow along. My thoughts won't be as scattered, and I won't be jumping from subject to subject so how do I put it? So rough, I guess. Anyway, they will improve. Please stick with me. Please subscribe. Share my channel out on your social medias. Comment. Engage with me. Let me know your opinions, what you'd like to see. Ask me questions about investing, dividend investing. Tell me how your portfolio is doing. What is your favorite stock out there? Tell me that. And hit the like button, please. That's it. I appreciate the support. Thank you. Have a good day.